Today I'm going to review these Fun Little Toys mini car race. You can see you can buy it on Amazon, whole set 12 for $27. So it comes out to be around, I think, about a little over $2 a car, which isn't too bad. It's a little Lego. I'll be reviewing these three cars. The green race car, again, you have to be over 3 years or 3 years and over. I guess this is a hatchback. It's number 10. And this is number 1. Sunticify Incorporated. Let me put that back there. Here's the little truck. It takes a few minutes to make. It looks pretty cool. I think this would make a great stocking stuffer, which it was a stocking stuffer for my kids. You can see they don't really roll, unfortunately. So you should take that into note. They look pretty nice. It's something fun for the kids to do. Again, it costs a little over $2. And you won't have to worry about it if you lose any parts. I mean, it's just something simple to make. The race car, though, looks a lot nicer. I'm tightening this because my kid made it. Just knocked off the spoiler. This one, the wheels are a little better. They don't roll too well. I'm not expecting much for a $2 toy. But you can see, I think it'd be fun to build. Because usually Legos cost a lot more, so you can just get this. Again, make it a stocking stuffer for Christmas. I might leave that there for you to see in the background. Finally, this is the hatchback, the mini hatchback. Again, bring this down. Sort of rolls. This one not so much. Maybe it's because I built it wrong. So this one rolls. This one kind of rolls. It's more like sliding than anything. Maybe it's simulating drifting. But oh, lost a light somewhere along the lines. Need to fix this. Busted light. There you go.